What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today, as you could probably tell by the crazy amount of Adidas branding all over these boxes, I got some surprise packages from Adidas. It almost feels like Christmas. I guess it is Christmas actually. Merry Christmas. I got both of these packages into my P.O. box last Friday, which by the way, I'm not using as my P.O. box anymore, so if you want to send me something, contact me directly. I'll send you my new address, but I'm really excited to have these guys. I didn't know either of these were coming, but based on the fact that the tape on this one says Night Jogger, leads me to believe that this is probably the Night Jogger that is coming out in January. So why don't we start things off by opening this box first, because pretty sure I know what this is, and we'll save this guy till last. So first of all, huge thank you to Adidas for these Christmas goodies. I mean, they're not probably Christmas themed, but it's Christmas, so I figured, you know, unboxing video makes sense. So why don't we bust into this first box? So the Night Jogger is a new Adidas silhouette. I don't exactly know what it's for. I would assume night jogging. Based on the name. It could be a lifestyle silhouette, it could be a running silhouette. Not totally sure. But we're about to find out. So I'm excited. Ooh. Nice. Sick, okay. Oh, this is awesome. This is so cool. Check that out. So this looks like a 3M bag. This is awesome. I'm really stoked on this. 3M always looks good, and of course, being in the theme of a nighttime jogger, 3M makes a lot of sense. So I've got this dope 3M tote now, which I'm really excited about. Let's see what's inside. First thing inside the tote bag, we've got the Night Jogger. I guess it's a headlamp? Is that what this is? Let's see. Does it have a battery in it? Looks like it has a USB charger, but it doesn't seem to be charged. That's okay. I'll throw it on anyway. Got enough light in this room as it is. You know, now that I have this on my head, I would assume that this is probably something you wear without a hat, but too late now. So next up, we've got this, what looks like Night Jogger paperwork right here that says, Night Jogger, turn on headlamp to reveal message on back. Oh man, I guess I'm gonna have to charge this. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I thought I had to charge this at first, but if you just hold it in the right light, you can see it totally fine. It says, at night or in life, it's never too late to pursue your vision. At Adidas Originals, hashtag Night Jogger, hashtag gifted by Adidas. Customize your running pack now with reflective spray and Night Jogger stencils. What? Yo, that's awesome. Are these the stencils that they were talking about? Apply stencil stickers to your pack, spray, and remove. That's so cool. The second one looks like a silhouette of the actual Night Jogger itself. Very nice looking sneaker so far. Again, I've heard about it, but I've never seen images of it. I'm gonna be honest, when I got that box in, I Googled it, but I couldn't find anything that was like definitively the shoe itself, so I'm still not sure exactly what it looks like. And then of course, we've got the Adidas tray foil right here. Very nice. Cool, I'm definitely gonna use these for, I'm assuming there's spray in here, so yep, there is. Very nice. I just saw myself in the monitor with this thing on. I gotta take it off. We've got the reflective spray. It says non-permanent, intended for textiles, apparel, and soft surfaces. Very nice. I actually used 3M paint a lot back when I was customizing sneakers. I actually had a lot of people hit me up and want their shoes like completely 3M'd, so that was something that I did a lot. Whether the shoes, you know, lasted or not, I'm not 100% sure, because once they got that custom from me, they never hit me back. So assuming it didn't work out too well. But let's move on to the next thing. So next up, we've got this, oh, there we go. Here's the USB guy right here. So here's the USB charger for the Night Jogger headlamp right there. And this looks like what could be a backpack, or yeah, this looks like a mini backpack that you hold like your phone in, something like that. That's awesome. So you can jog in this. Very nice. Oh, it's got little slots for your headphone cables right there. Very cool. Nice sort of neoprene feel to it. I like it. I like it. Thank you, Adidas. This is awesome. Now with all the extra goodies out of the way, let's get right into the shoes themselves. Again, I haven't seen these yet, so I'm really excited to see what we've got. Here we go, moment of truth. Night Jogger time. Okay. Very nice. Are these glow-in-the-dark outsoles? Yo, that's sick. Here they are, the Night Joggers, the brand new Adidas silhouette that's dropping in January. Super excited about this shoe. It looks like it's got a full-length boost midsole, which looks really comfy. And it's all blacked out, which is sick. Probably hence the name Night Jogger. I would assume it's got 3M accents all over, just so you can actually run at night. Like, this whole back area here is 3M, which makes sense. Let's see the other shoe. So here it is, the Adidas Night Jogger in this very nice black, orange, and like bluish purple colorway. Like I said, I think these are glow-in-the-dark outsoles. I'll let them charge up. They definitely look like it though, so I'm pretty excited about that. We've also got the 3M hits on the heel, just so when you're running at night, people can actually see you for safety, obviously. And it looks like there's also some 3M on the laces as well. So the edges of the tongue are unfinished, which I think is a really cool touch. I always like when brands do that. I'm not exactly sure the reason for doing it. I don't think there's any functional reason, but I always think it looks nice. Inside the shoe, you've got a black sock liner and insole, it looks like. You've also got these stitched on Adidas 3 stripes there on the side, and then you've got this, what feels like sort of a heel counter right here, which also sort of spills on over to the midsole, so it gets a little bit more stability in the heel. The materials on the sneaker also feel pretty good as well. You've got some suedes around the toe for added durability. You've got some mesh right on the top of the toe, probably for breathability. And overall, man, this is a pretty clean, pretty honestly like old school classic looking runner, which I really like. I'm really excited to actually test these guys out. If it wasn't like 1 in the morning, I'd go for a run right now, which I guess honestly it is like the perfect time to go running, but I'm not going to. Huge thank you to Adidas for these. These are awesome. I really, really like the way these look. I love that Adidas is really trying to push out new models and try new things like the Night Runner. This is a shoe that, I mean, it looks like it's got really nice styling to it. It looks like it's actually got some sort of function, which of course in this case would be night running with the glow sole. And overall, man, I think it's a clean shoe. Huge thank you to Adidas for these. A review will be coming very soon. Okay, next up, we've got the mystery box from Adidas. They did not tell me this was coming. They didn't tell me the other box was coming either, but this one in particular just has a big Adidas tray foil on the front, so I have no clue what's inside this. But why don't we bust this guy open? The anticipation really is killing me, so let's see what we've got. Where's my knife? My studio is so small and I'm like stuck behind a table. Threw my knife all the way across the room, so, which I guess isn't that far, but actually getting out of the chair to get the knife is a bummer. But I think I've blunt this knife already by just cutting sticky tape. So here we go, moment of truth time. Let's see what we've got. You're kidding. You are kidding me, yo. What? This is a joke, there's no way. Check that out. This is a 4D box. What? Okay, I know what sneaker this is now because I know the 4D sneakers. Well, let me just make sure. Yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was. That's nuts. Thank you, Adidas. I only have one other pair of 4D sneakers at the moment, and that's the Futurecraft 4D. I've been wanting another pair of 4D sneakers, but they keep selling out and I haven't been able to get any pairs. And if this is the colorway that I think it is, this is the pair that I really wanted and I just missed out on. So I'm about to freak out if it's what I think it is. No way. Oh, it's exactly what I thought it was. Adidas, this is too much. You guys didn't have to do that. Oh my goodness, look at that. What? Didn't even come with a note or anything. It just showed up. This is absolutely nuts. Thank you so much, Adidas. This is the merriest of Christmases. This is awesome. Thank you guys so much. This is crazy. So for those of you that don't know what this sneaker is, this is the Alpha Edge 4D in the brand new white colorway, which just recently released. The shoe retails for $300 and has trouble staying in stock, which is why I wasn't able to grab a pair. 4D, if you guys weren't already aware, is this crazy sort of green midsole material right here. The process of making this shoe is similar to 3D printing, except it's more of like a resin-based 3D print. Basically, the way that this works is that they actually fire a light into a basin of resin, and then the light hardens the resin, and then slowly as the resin's hardening, they actually pull the midsole out of the material. This actually feels a lot softer than my 4Ds. I've had a pair of Alpha Edges before. I had the gray and black pair, but I don't remember it being this soft. It probably was, but I just don't remember it being this soft. Yo, the white Continental outsole too is so fire. Yo, this is crazy. Well, these are gonna be my Christmas shoes. I'm rocking these to all the Christmas events today. Super excited about that. So you've got this really soft and stretchy Primeknit upper. It's a little bit thicker than the Primeknit used on the Futurecrafts because it's a little bit more durable that way. You've got the Adidas 3 stripes on the top of the tongue right there. You've got Adidas's logo on the heel right there. And I also really like these sort of gray accents right here with the stitching. I think that's a really cool touch. You guys are crazy. I mean, even the box too is nuts. Like, it's this beautiful matte black box. You've got this really glossy, like 4D text there. And then the way it slides out is awesome as well. I love that. And the fact that this front like sort of peels out like that, such a cool packaging design. Thank you guys so much. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up the unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Huge thank you to Adidas for sending this stuff out. You guys are incredible. I can't thank you guys enough for this. This is nuts. Make sure to check out the Adidas Night Jogger when it drops in January, and then the Alpha Edge 4Ds. I believe it's sold out most places, but you might be able to find it in some random stores. Like I saw some women's sizes in Kith a couple days ago, so that's a possibility. I wouldn't be surprised if they release this in more colorways and probably, re-release it in the future, so stay tuned for that if you are trying to get some 4D. But guys, before we end off the video today, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It really means a lot that you guys are willing to spend your Christmas day with me. Thank you guys so much for the continued love and support. It means the world to me. So I hope you guys have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video.